aking sinisinta. Pasensya ka na, parang trip ko ngayong ibigin ka. Marami nang nanliligaw sa'yo, ba kaya'y mapapansin mo? Kahit na ulay tumila na, luha sa'king matay, patuloy pa. Laman ka ng puso't isipan, di na kita maiiwasan. Pag-ibig ko sana ay pagbigyan. Bakit ba ikaw ang naiisip ko at di na mawala-wala pa? Kahit na alam ko na ang puso mo may mahal na iba.
Gonna fight back what I've become. Yeah, I got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars I've been doing.
Pinagdarasal parati, kaligtasan mo't mapawi ang lungkot sa iyong mata, di na luluha pang muli. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. Nararapat lang ika'y limutin na. Pag-ibig ko'y isang hangin na di mo madarama. Tayong dalawi para sa isa't isa, na kaya bang mapigilan? Pakiramdam ko'y ibang-iba sana sa aking isipan. Ako'y naguguluhan. Mahiwaga bawat naksarang bintana sa aking dati, lahat ngayon'y nagbubukas. Huwag sabihin sa'kin kung anong aking dapat gawin, di naman kayo natutong makinig. Oh, 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 oh. Mama, kumusta na, di na tayo lagi nagkikita? Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Tuwing ko'y lalong nagniningning, sa dilim walang makakapigil. Tarang bintana sa aking dati, lahat ngayon'y nagbubukas. Di na magpapaawa at iwawag na iwayang watawa. Huwag niyong sabihin sa'kin kung anong aking dapat gawin, di naman kayo natutong makinig. Everyday I think the load gets heavy. Throw it away, the world unloads us daily. Is there a way to break the curse and stop this now? I told you that I'm always ready. Come on and test me, you know nothing's gonna stop me. Bring it all out now. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. Nobody said it was easy. I'm going back to the start. Yeah, yeah. And darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I want, but I didn't think I'd find someone who is worth the weight of all the years of my heartbreak. But I know now I found the one I love. Every day I think the load gets heavy. Throw it away, the world Linis ng katahimikan, dinggin mo ang bawat tibok ng pusong namamahala. Dahil alam ko balang araw titigil ang mundo, walang saysay ang magkimkim ng galit sa ating puso. Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? What miracle is this? Every day I think the Lord gets heaven, throw it away. The world I know does that it is their way to break the curse and stop this. Immediately move, trying to find a better cure that will surely lead to you till we want and lose the two. So there's no proof within this music, no sign of your heart beating it. I'm alone, yeah. Now that we got reconnected, we'll forever be embedded in our hearts and souls, yeah. Now I'm all upon you, what you expect? Just coming home with me tonight. Run around, so we not turn on my mood. 'Cause you knew that I called you up. Amin ang pinagdaanan ay hindi ko na alam kung paano pa ba ako magiging masaya. Don't stop, 'cause you got your friends and family. Leave it up and we gon' conquer the world every day. You are my dream, there's not a thing I won't do. I'll give my life up for you, 'cause you are my dream. Handa ka na ba maging aking sinisinda? Pasensya ka na, parang trip ko ngayong ibigin ka. And ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I come through and get it, come through and get it. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. And this in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. For you, maybe you love yourself like I love you. Nalilito, nahihilo na sa inyo. Nasaan na ako sa sarili kong pagkatao? Muling-muli sa kawalan ng huli. Ito na naman ako. Pwede bang ipagpaliban mo na ng isang linggo? Pwede mo na bakit ito? Ako ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hahayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Hayami ang mga bagay na hindi natin sa kabila ng lahat ay pilit natin pinapalitan. Alam, mahalik ang iyong ganda, malaya, di magwawakas, tila parirala. Diyos ko, ano pa nga bang masasabi ko? Mama, kamusta na di na tayo laging nagkikita? Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. We walk slowly under the trees and we swing each other's hands in rhythm. And I can feel it like it's real, so real. We walk slowly under the sunlight. We hold each other's hand, oh so tight. And I can feel it from inside. I will keep it in my heart. It's embedded, 'cause it's real. Ay hindi ko na alam kung paano pa ba ako magiging masaya. Nalalamig ang bisip, may kaba pa sa aking dibdib. Marinig lang ang iyong tinig. While we walk slowly under the trees and we swing each other's hands in rhythm. I can feel it like it's real, so easy. Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo lagi nakikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Anin ang mga bagay-bagay, di pwedeng anis sa aking bahay. Himik lang daw ang matibay, pag tinupagtilig ang mag-ingay. I know this isn't over, di pa tapos ang disaster. Alam ko namin danger, parang betting you sooner magiging better. Kaya alam ang kaibigan ko, bakit ba ganito? Para bang may tinatago. Ang kaibigan ko na nagbabago, pag ako'y kinakausap niya pa.